Today we are going to read this book. The title is Miss Molly's School of Confidence. Okay. So, there is a little rabbit. The name is Rosie. Where is Rosie? This is Rosie. And he is so afraid of everything. And then And then her mommy suggests her to go to school. Yeah. And then they are going to school. Owl. So they go to school. Oh, you want to see birds? That's our birds. They are flying. What are they doing? They are flying. They want to go to find the food. Where is the food? I can't see the food. And then they meet their friends. Their friends are Frog, Fox, and Miss Molly. Hello, birds. Hello. Do you want to draw with me? No, I want to find the food. Finish. Another book.